All right, so let's give it up for Amarachi. That's right. Let's hear it for Amarachi. All right, good. So thanks a lot, Amarachi, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day. All right, so everyone ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Amarachi, so Amara means like grace or favor or almost kind of like good feelings towards someone, right? Grace, favor, things like that, okay? And Chi means God or God's personal spirit for your life. So you put those two together and you get Amarachi, God's grace or God's favor, right? Basically, God's presence in the form of his grace and favor in your life. Amarachi. Amarachi's names give them the power to be brave, spontaneous, and very social. Tag and share this video with all the Amarachis that you know. Thanks. Ndibo Kwen?
Yeah.
America Kwen?
Yeah.
Indojinil Nonowakwezo?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So, if you would like your very own Igbo name, or if you would like to give your child that you're about to have an Igbo name, this is going to be kind of like a Igbo, like African Nigerian, like baby naming type thing that I want to do with this channel. Let me know in the comment section down below. My Instagram is also linked there if you would like to send me a private DM. So anything that you would like to manifest into your child's life, into your life as well too, anything, any blessings or anything you would like to invoke into their life, let me know and I can give you the closest Igbo name to that meaning, right? So I'll be able to give you or the child that you're expecting that name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So if you keep watching to the end of this video, it's probably going to suggest either the Igbo Name of the Day, which is this series, or a new video for the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So if you would like one for the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway, let me know what you would like in a name, personality traits, anything you would like to manifest into your life, and I can give you a name based off of those traits. In our culture, we believe that basically our names give us power and strength through God, right? So anytime someone calls your name, you're essentially calling God's presence or calling those good things into your life. So imagine like a built-in way of walking in blessing anytime someone calls your name, right? So that's why we take name giving very seriously, right? So if you are Igbo, you would like me to feature your Igbo name, let me know and I can feature your name on the Igbo Name of the Day, this series. So let me know in the comment section or you can send me a DM as well too. So if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then tap it really lightly instead. As I said, leave me a comment section down below and let me know what you think about this YouTube series that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Every time you like and comment, it helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people just like you who might be interested. So in addition to you sharing this with people who might be interested, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get a notification. It could be for your next video. For all of these videos and things like that, because it helps the YouTube algorithm just show this to more people and it will help me reach a wider audience. So if you could do that for me, I'd appreciate it as well too. So stay tuned to the end of this video. You might see another video that might interest you as well too. I appreciate your support of this channel. Take care and I will see you in the next video.